Homa Bay County is located in southwestern Kenya along Lake Victoria, where it borders Kisumu and Siaya counties to the north, Kisii and Nyamira counties to the east, Migori County to the south, and Lake Victoria and the Republic of Uganda to the west. Based on projections from the 2009 Kenya Population and Housing Census, Homa Bay County has an estimated population of 1.04 million persons. This population is projected to rise to 1.5 million persons in 2025. Like any major county headquarters, Homa Bay Town is experiencing an increase in rural-urban migration, which exerts pressure on the social amenities and increases demand for clean water.
The agency's area of jurisdiction include Kisumu County, Siaya County, then we go down to Kisii and Nyamira counties, we go to Homa Bay, we go to Migori, we go to Kericho, and also Bomet counties. Those are the areas we cover as an agency with the mandate of developing water and sanitation infrastructure. However, we have a residual mandate to support the county government. As per the Constitution of Kenya 2010, water service provision is a mandate of the county government, which they implement through the water service providers. But as an agency, we have the residual mandate to backstop for them, to build their capacity, to ensure that the infrastructure we develop is put to use by the water service providers with respect to connecting individual users so that the benefit of that project are realized immediately. So we have that reserve capacity for building the capacity of water service providers, but also to build the capacity of county governments with respect to resource mobilization.
Homa Bay Town, the administrative headquarters of the county, faces shortage with the current water treatment plant producing only 2.5 million liters per day instead of the required 5 million liters. Once completed, the new project will produce 8.8 million liters of water per day. The scarcity of water in the Homa Bay County is being addressed by the Lake Victoria South Waterworks Agency by the implementation of the Homa Bay Cluster Water Supply Projects.
Our key mandate is to develop water and sanitation infrastructure to serve the people within the 8 counties of Kisumu, Kericho, Kisii, Nyamira, Bomet, Homa Bay, Migori, and Siaya. The agency has been aggressively planning, developing, and sourcing finances so that we can develop infrastructure to supply water and sanitation within the area of coverage. One of the areas that has been having challenges in water and sanitation is Homa Bay County. And the agency over the last 5 years has rolled out some key flagship projects to improve water and sanitation. One of them is Homa Bay Cluster Water Supply Project. This project is being supported by the government of Kenya through Belgium government. And this project is going to benefit Homa Bay Town, one, by expanding the water supply infrastructure from a capacity of 2,000 cubic meters per day to 8,000 cubic meters per day. So we are going to increase the water supply in Homa Bay fourfold.
The Homa Bay Water Supply Project is financed by both the Belgian government and the government of Kenya, and it is expected that once the new water project is complete, it will produce 8.8 million liters of water per day for the residents of Homa Bay County.
We want to thank Lake Victoria Water South and also the Belgium company who has now started renovating or rehabilitating the water system in Homa Bay. Now, previously we had a big problem with water, in that if you go to the intake, which is far in the lake, the equipment which were there then could not match the population that is in Homa Bay currently.
Homa Bay Cluster Water Supply Project is financed at a cost of 1.1 billion shillings and will serve an additional population of 135,000 residents of Homa Bay County.
With the introduction of the new system and the laying of pipes which are so far been done, we hope that the situation of water or the frequent shortage of water that has always been experienced in Homa Bay will be a thing of the past.
The Homa Bay Water Supply Project is financed by both the Belgian government and the government of Kenya, and it is expected that once the new water project is complete, it will produce 8.8 million liters of water per day for the residents of Homa Bay County. The main objective of the Lake Victoria South Water Works Agency is to develop water and sanitation infrastructure for efficient and economic provision of water and sanitation services to the residents of 8 counties in the Republic of Kenya.
Though hii maji tulitengenezewa na watu wa Lake Victoria, na kwa sasa inasaidia watu wakaaji wa hii area kwa wingi, na sana sana watu wa biashara ambao pia wako hapa sokoni wanafaidika, maana kwa mama ambao wanauza tomato, wale wanauza mboga, sasa wanaosha mboga na maji safi. Watu wa samaki pia wameweka samaki zao hapo, wanaziosha tu na hii maji, maana tusipoifungua utapata wana shida, maana ni lazima wakatafute maji tena mbali.
The project will majorly use solar energy to pump the water and electricity used where there is no solar energy. The intake point is next to Lake Victoria, where water will be pumped and sewerage treated. An elevated tank is built at Got Asego, where treatment plant is and the distribution of water will be done through gravitation.
The capacity of production of clean water by 4, because we will have 4,000 in Got Asego and 4,800 at Lakeside, which will give us 8,800 cubic meter per day, so 8.8 million liters per day. Yes.
2 boreholes at Rodi-Kopany, which will provide 400,000 liters of water, will supply water to the residents who live within the locality.
Kitambo tulikuwa tunatesekea maji. Kwanza watu waliogopa kuishi Rodi kwa sababu ya shida ya maji. Sasa hii population ya Rodi inaongezeka juu ya maji. Kwanza hii sana hii ya serikali. Kitambo maji kama mtungi mmoja ilikuwa ni 20 bob, wengine wanaiweka 30 bob. Sasa hii maji hapa ni bure. 5 bob ni mtungi miwili. That is almost to nothing.
Once the project is completed, it will meet the needs of the growing population of the area residents for the next 20 years.
Kale zamani yametunga utamaduni na